Hello. How's everybody doing today? My name is Nick from Orlando, Florida. I'm a certified private money broker. I'm gonna give it a few minutes, see who pops in. I am recording this on YouTube. I am recording this on my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna be trying to show you guys what private money broking is all about. Let me see if I can try. I also do. Let's see. Try to get my website going out here so that I can show you guys. Okay, I gotta find links. I can share my screen. So if you guys need approval funds letter, need fundings for your deal, just let me know. I got you covered on that. Okay, cool. Perfect. That's it right there. Okay. Try to share my screen. Share screen. Can you guys see my screen? All right, perfect. That is my website. You guys can check it out, zencapitalfunding.com. I also have you want to do a DNA report, you want to apply for a loan, you want to create a proof of funds letter, or you want to make an offer. You don't know how much to send an offer, you can go right here and create you an offer. It's real simple to do. This is who we are. Tell us a little bit about me and about the company. So I would love to fund your deals. So let me see if I can get this going over here right quick. Let's do this one right here. Okay, boom. Let's continue going. All right. Let's see, boom. This one, perfect. All right, my main goal is to fund all your deals. Okay, this is your number one source for funding for every deal. All right, every time. If you got good credit or bad credit, it doesn't matter. I can definitely work with you. So just make sure you give me a call or just go to my website. All right, if you got bad credit, your interest rate might be vary. So just we can work something out. It's a secure, gives you complete control, gives you funding without any hassles or traditional banking, all that kind of stuff. I can close within 2 or 3 weeks. I'll give you a needs list, and the faster I can get that paperwork back, the better I can move forward on getting your property funded. Private money is now the only source for real estate investments. If you try to go to a bank to get real estate funding, you're not going to be able to do it. Right now, private money is the way to go. Okay? So make sure you let me know. All right, let's see what the next one is. Private money allows you to buy property in a down economic, regardless of the property. I do all types of funding. All right, these are the types of funding that I do. Let this video play. Types of properties. I do single family homes, non-owner occupied. Now, if you're looking to get funding to buy a house so you can live in it, I'm sorry. This is only for business, business investments, properties only. Okay, so just want to make that clear to you guys. All right. If you have a property on a contract, bring it over. We'll take a look at it and all that good stuff. I also do duplex. I do triplex. I do fourplex. All non-owner occupied. Okay. All right. So if you have a deal that meets these criteria, let me know. I'm also an investor. I buy properties here in Orlando, Florida. So if you have anything, let me know. I do also do commercial, multifamily, 5 units, and up to 5 and up. I do 5 and up. You know. Commercial tenants. Okay, if you have tenants in the property, I'm definitely gonna need, the lease agreements. There's a lot of paperwork that goes into commercial properties. If you've done this in the past, the kind of documents I'll be needing. I also do new constructions. That goes. It's a When new construction comes, let me put this right quick. If you have not done a fix and flip in the past, I don't recommend doing new construction because we need contracts for the contractor. There's a lot of paperwork required to do this. So make sure, when you go into new construction, you gotta know what you're doing. Okay. And then I do rehab, fix and flips. You buy and hold, all that kind of stuff. I'll fund 100% of rehab costs. I'll do 90% of purchase price. If you try to, do a rehab so you can buy and hold, the interest rate will be different. So make sure all the documents are in order. I'll fund any deal that you got. If the deal makes sense, put money in your pocket, I'll fund it. If you can show us that the project puts money in your pocket, I definitely want to fund it. Most definitely. So keep in mind, if you need a proof of funds data for your offers, just go to ZenCapitalFunding.com and I'll get you covered. Hello, Sandy. Thank you for watching. I'm just doing a little requirement video here about prior money lending. These are basic loans that I do. First trust deed lending only, interest only. Minimum amount of loan I do is $30,000. Maximum, there's no maximum. I could go up to $500,000 if need to. 360 months term. No prepayment penalty. You definitely need a down payment. Construction and rehab costs, I'll fund 100% of that. You will have to do the closing costs, and up to 3 months reserve required to be in your bank. I also do cross collateration. It's allowed also. I also do that. Okay. If you own a property, you have equity in that property, I can do a 50% cash out. All right. And then general applicants requirements. Okay, here we go. you must have an LLC. Without it, I cannot fund you. I don't do personal loans. You can have a corporation, partnership, trust, trust, etc. But there's no personal loans. There's no way I can do personal loans. Right? You gotta have an LLC. That's really, really easy to do. Right? So keep that in mind. No personal loans. Property requirements. Right? Let's go through this. Has to be non-owner occupied. Right? You cannot live in the property. Okay, you cannot live in the property. It's for business only loans. Right? I could duplex, triplex, single family residentials, fourplex, condos, townhouses, multifamily homes, and commercial. I'll do all those type of funding. You have anything, just let me know. We can definitely work this out together. Now, it has to have a clear title. Okay. Clear title is required. Okay, you don't want to go to a deal and then come out saying at the end they owe taxes or something like that. Or, you don't want nothing come back in the butt. And also title insurance. We definitely title insurance, which you pay that at closing costs. All right, flood insurance, anything that will cover you while you're doing your rehab. Insurance is important. You need home insurance, let me know. My sister takes care of that. Now, we do need an appraisal. Okay, we set it up for you, and you will definitely have to be there. This is something that you will have to pay for. So if you need an appraisal, let me know. I got people for that as well that can help you out. Okay, but an appraisal is needed. Keep that in mind. Right? I tell people when you go to a flip, you gotta have at least $20,000 to $30,000 in the bank when you go to a flip. Property must be habitable. Right? Funds are held in escrow. Okay, hope you guys understand that. Now, something else. Property requirements. All right, here we go. Gotta have a lease agreement. If you buy, you have a buy and hold, so you gotta have the property under contract, right? Property has to be in the contract. And if you buying to hold, like a duplex, a triplex, and all that kind of stuff, and you already have tenants in there, make sure you send me, you have those lease agreements ready, so like that we can really move forward. Okay. Licensed contractor bids. This will be on the needs list. Once you have a property on the contract, you contact me. I'll send you a needs list that tells you all the type of paperwork that I'll be needing. The sooner I get that paperwork, the sooner I can get you funded. It's very important. Let's say you don't have the 10% down. I can do I can say this word right. Cross collateralization. So I can say that word right. But if you have a property on the contract, you have equity in there. We can use that equity to get your refinance and the property. All right. I do refinance and I do purchase deals. Okay. When it comes to refinance deals, right? It's a little tricky, all right? It's a little tricky, but it has to be business purpose only. Okay, you can't take equity out just to go party and that kind of stuff. It's for funding. All the funds that you take out for refinance, it has to be used for the property. Okay. There you go. All funding being used go back to chlorine project or cross chloration. Say that word right, damn it. Now, when it comes to refinance, okay, cash out. We'll talk about that next. You guys can understand what that means. Right? Zen Capital Funding will fund up to 50 to 75% of the assets appraisal value. Okay, that's why we need an appraisal. Okay, we need an appraisal. That is important. I need to know what the property is worth in order to get your funding for the property. Okay. Now the purchase price. We'll talk about that in a minute. All right. I will go up to 90% of the purchase price, or 65% of the LTV. Okay. It says there 90% of the rehab amount, but right now I can do 100% of the rehab costs. When it comes to the rehab costs, it varies a lot. So you got to make sure I have the contractor bid and the appraisal, right? So we can get that going. And the rehab cost is under refund basis. Once they say you do the electrical, goes to $3,000. Once it passes inspection, you go back to, you have your own little account within the company. You go and send in your documents. You can take a picture of it, send it to me, and I'll submit it so that you can get your money back. Okay, it goes on refund basis. How to secure funds fast. Right? You gotta fill out the form. The moment I send you the application, just fill it out as much as you can and send it to me fast. The faster I can get the application form, the faster I can get you your money. Once your deal is accepted, you will get the funding you need to secure the deal. Okay, make sure everything goes working to plan. Right, we don't want any hiccups. Right. Look forward to funding your deals. Okay. I want to be out here to help people and do the best I can and funding their deals. Right. So go to zencapitalfunding.com whenever you're ready. You can also get my phone number as well. I'll show you the website now. This is my website. Let's say you want to do a create proof of funds letter. You can go here and you type the first name, last name, and from there you go on and on. Let's say you wanna make an offer. Wait, let's see. So I can do this right over here. You wanna make an offer. Use a calculator. Put your name. Nick Lopez. I'm not gonna put my email. Let me do this without, because I don't wanna. Oh no, wait. Let me. Because I don't want to show my email, because when it comes to YouTube, they take out your video if you put your emails on it. Wait. Take that out. Give me 1 minute. Let me set this up right quick. Let me set this up. Okay. Let me see if I can do it now. Okay. All right. Yep, I'm sharing it. All right. Let's say the property is worth the current value. Let's just say 190,000. 190,000. You hit next. No rehab. It asks for no rehab. It's a light touch. Repair. Let's put this one right here. Like kitchen, remodel, bathroom, paint, all that. That's pretty much standard. Square footage. Let's say it is 1875 square foot. Okay. Press next. Let's say the ARV. The ARV is 280,000. 280,000. Just taking a wild guess. All right. So your max available offer, all right, will be 149,000 for that property. If you want to send an offer to the deal you have and all that kind of stuff. Now, once you send the offer, your offer's been accepted, all that stuff. You want to borrow money, you go right here. The bottom says, got it. Now I want to borrow private money. You go there, and you will be connected to me, and I'll get you going. You can go right over here, apply for a money loan. You can get a DNA report, all that good stuff. So it's the best way to go. You know, when you're doing private money lending, you know, you want to fund deals and stuff like that. You don't want to use your own money. You know, you don't want to do that. All right, so I'm not gonna make this video too long. So please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, give me a call. I'll be happy to help you. All right, bye guys.